Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my this video's tutorial series. So guys, in this video tutorial series I am going to teach you how to use the SQLite database. So we will be creating an application that will be using the SQLite database, and I will be teaching you on how to use the SQLite database. So basically we will create an application that will consist of the main screen, and that main screen will consist of the the categories that we will insert in the database. Okay, so after we click on those categories, there will be the subcategories screen. So I mean, we will learn about the primary key and the foreign key combination and their relationship in a table. Alright, so after this series we are going to learn about the room database. So we will switch to the room database and we will create the similar application. So in this way you will see the difference between the SQLite database which is included inside the Android SDK and the room database. So guys, let's get started. So this is the introductory video, and in this video I will only be showing you the demo of how our application will look like, right? So here we have this application. I have connected my device with this screen. So here I open the SQLite tab, and there you can see we have this main screen, and in here we have an empty screen because it is the main category activity screen. So because we haven't added the categories here, so first of all we will add the category. So here I will click on that button, and here it is saying that enter title. So here first of all let me enter sports, right? And you can see added successfully. Then let me enter again, and this time we will write entertainment. Here you can see, and then we can create another category, and that one will be the news. Alright, so now we have these three categories that we have inserted into the database. So if I go back and if I open it again, so there you can see that we are showing the data here inside a recycler view. Alright, so here what we are going to do is, now if we click on sports, so here we can add the sub category. So here we can say, for example, cricket. Here we can see cricket, then we can say football. Alright, and then we can say hockey. So we have these subcategories of sports. Then we click on entertainment, and here we write movies, and we write something like adventure. Okay, so here inside our news we can say political news, then we can say crypto market news. Alright, so now you can see that we have these sub categories inserted here. So if I go back and if I just remove everything, and if I open it our application again, then there you can see the categories. And if we open, for example, entertainment, so we are able to see the entertainment sub categories. Alright, and then we can also write the code to remove that particular item. Right, so here we can see news, and then we have the sports. So guys, this is the application that we are going to develop, so you have to follow me and learn all these steps very carefully. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And